Hi, this is M. Prasanna. Today we are discussing about the gas liquid chromatography, the principles of partitions of molecules between the gas mobile phase and liquid stationary phase. Most common and stationary phases separations of mixture of polar compounds and carbox and tortilla molecules with polyethylene glycosol, like separations of mixture of non-polar components, oval phase 1R1 or SC like 30 and polymer methocycline and methyl ester of fatty acids. Diethyl glycol succinate. So gas chromatography structure, this is the gas carrier and this is the hydrogen cylinder, then also here is the air, how the regulators here, so we can easily observe the filters how trap and data system, that is monitoring of the syringes, how inlet and column here we can inject the column, and here it is detection how the gassing inlet and column detector and data system. So schematic diagram of some of the gas and how inlet and injectors and detectors and amplifier and finally output of data monitoring here system will be there. So detectors, the flame ionization detectors are nanogram of high temperature like hydrogen, like flame hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen ionizes the components of eluted from the column into the flame. The ions collected on the collector or electrode and were recorded due to the electric current. The schematic diagram how chimney is the outlet. Chimney means the ventilation, the smoke will be going outside. So thermal conductivity detector, the measures the changes thermal conductivity due to the sample micrograms. Sample can be recovered. The thermal conductivity detector principle, the thermal balance of a heated filament and electrical power. Electrical power is converted to heat in a filament, and the temperature will be climbed until the heat power losses from the filament equals the electrical power input. The filament may lose heated by the radiation to cooler surface by conductor to the molecular which contact with the filament. So thermal conductivity basis, like this is the T and these things flow upwards. The thermal conductivity detector, when a separate compound eluted from the column, the thermal conductivity of the mixture of gas carriers and compounds like gas is so lowered. The filament in the samples column become the hotter than the control column. In the imbalance between the control and the sample filament temperature is measured by a sample gadgets and a signal is recorded. So this is relatively thermal, how the relative thermal conductivity, methanol and benzene, hexone, argon, hydrogen is 1.28. So thermal conductivity detector, and thermal conductivity detector responds all compounds and adequate sensitivity for many compounds, good linear range of signal, simple construction, signal quite stable if carrier gas glow rate, block temperature and filament power are effectively controlled, non-destructive detector. So electron captures detectors analyzes for the pesticide and insecticide, vinyl chloride and fluorocarbon in foods, and most sensitive detectors to electron capture detectors. Then how the picture shows of electron capture detectors. So how capturing of electrons. So this is chromatography showing schematic like graphically showing that structure. How what are the gas chromatography applications? So semi-quantitative analysis, fatty acids, and tentative identifications of unknown compounds. This is retention times. Then what are the advantages here? In the gas chromatography, very good separation time, like analysis is short and small, simple like a sample in these microliters, and also good detection system quantitatively analyzed. Disadvantage, time is more effective, hydroxyl group and carbon derivations of timeless. So effects derivations, the time consumption, side reactions, loss of samples. Thank you very much.